Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna. Do you all see the screen now?
Yes. Yes, Prabhuji.
Okay. All right. We're going to quickly go through what we have learned so far very quickly, and then we start new unit today. Okay.
Okay.
Pashuha. There is Pashuha. Pashuvaha.
Pasu. Yeah, we're going to learn Pasu. Esah kaha pasuhu. Animal. We're going to learn animal today. You like animal?
Yes.
Okay. Which animal do you like?
Tiger.
You like elephant?
Peacock.
Falcon.
I like the peacock. Hatti. No, I like
Tiger.
the peacock. Tiger.
You like lion?
Eagle.
How about you? Like
Eagle.
I
cow?
like falcons. I like I like a snake. I like snake. No, hatti. No, hatti. Asia Hadipa. Mushika. Vidalaha. Gajataha. Argaja. Simha.
Okay, here is the unit 1. We learned about, so everybody pay attention to the screen. We learned about introductions and greeting. In Sanskrit, we call Bhumika, Abhinandanam Cha. Cha is an, okay, greeting is Abhinandanam, and introduction is Bhumika. So we learn how to ask somebody's name, how to greet someone. We say Swagatam, means welcome. And then if we ask questions, this is how you introduce yourself. So he's a teacher. He says, Aham Adhyapakaha Asmi. I am a teacher. He's Mama Nama Gopalaha. My name is Gopal. And then he's asking somebody else here. He says, Mama Nama Gopalaha. My name is Gopal. And he's asking Bhavataha Nam Kim. For boy, he using Bhavataha. You see that? Bhavataha. Bhavataha Nam Kim. Okay. And if she is a girl, she is using a Bhavatyaha Nam Kim. So you have to remember these two words and practice at home. Bhavataha Nam Kim, Bhavatyaha Nam Kim. If you ask a name to male person, okay, man or boy, you use Bhavataha. If you ask a lady or a girl, you use Bhavatyaha. Okay. All right. So this is about introduction. And we learned some words here, vocabulary. Adhyapaka is teacher. Right? Bhavataha, Bhavatyaha, Swagatam is welcome. You all know that. So now in unit 2, we have learned some polite expressions. Remember those polite expressions? Very nice. And here if you want to go to toilet, so aham gantum saknomi va, aham sauchalayam gantum saknomi va, aham पुस्तकालयं गन्तुं शक्नोमि वा अहं कार्यालयं गन्तुं शक्नोमि वा अहं मन्दिरं गन्तुं शक्नोमि वा like that. Okay, so we learned that main thing, and then also we learn about some polite expressions. Hari Om, Suprabhatam, good morning, Dhanyavadaha, Swagatam, welcome, Kshamyatam, excuse me, Chintamastu, Krupaya, Puna Milamaha, Astu, Samichinam. So you all know this, right? Everybody?
Yes.
Okay. Right. So these are the vocabulary now, which we learned some of them already. Karyalayam, Utvan, Kusalam, Mandiram, Pustakalayam, like that. Okay. And unit 3, we learn about Janaha Sthapanam Vastuni cha. People, place, and things, right? We learn about Manusyaha, then Mahila, then Balakaha, Balika, Asandaha is chair, bicycle we call it Dvichakrika, and temple we call it Mandiram. Okay, so here is the girl. Is the object is nearby? Say Esaha Deepaha, Esaha Suyutaha. So we use. Now you have to remember this three rule. The name ends with aha. They are masculine. You have to use Esaha. All these are masculine. Esa Deepaha, Esa Suyutaha, Esa Chasakaha, Esa Chamasa, Esa Asanda, Esa Balaka. Is all feminine here. So with feminine.
Prabhuji,
Yes.
I have a question.
Yes.
What is Pustakalayam?
Pustakalayam is library. Okay.
What's Pustakalayam?
Pustakalayam means library.
If pustakam means library, then what's the word for book?
For book it is
Pustaka.
pustakam. Okay. And pustakalayam, alayam is house. So the house for the book is called pustakalayam. Right. Okay. So now the object, if the name ends with E, you see long E or A, Mapika, Gati. So we have to use Esa instead of Esa for feminine. So Esa Gati, Esa Mapika, Esa Lekani, Esa Satika, Esa Kartari, Esa Balika. So this is all feminine name. Now we come to neuter name, which ends with Ma. Vatayanam, Krishna Falakam. End with ma, and we use etat pronoun. So far we use esa, esa, etat for nearby object. So etat vatayanam, etat krishna falakam, etat pustakam, etat dvaram, etat puspam, etat graham, like that. Okay. So now then here esa, esa, etat, you have to choose one of them. So depending on the noun, syutaha is masculine. Aha. So we use esaha. Lekani is feminine. Lekani, like that. Okay. And so esa, asandaha, esa, gati. Yeah. Pustakam, we use etat pustakam. Then etat puspam, esa mapika, etat gruham, like that. Okay. Esa balakaha, etat krishna falakam, then esa balika, like that. Okay. Then for the object, when they are far away, use word saha instead of a saha for masculine. Okay. So a saha instead of a saha, use saha deepaha. That is a lamp. Okay. So use saha for object which are far. Sa for the feminine. And tat for the neuter gender. So you have to remember these three genders. So now sahasa and tat, that pronoun you use depending on the noun. Gati, if it is feminine, you use sa gati. Balakaha, aha, masculine, you saha balakaha. Balika, feminine, use sa balika, like that. Satika, sa satika. Deepaha is masculine, saha deepaha, like that. Lekani is sa lekani. Puspam is tat puspam. And chasakaha is saha chasakaha, like that. Then when you ask questions, you use kaha, ka, and kim. Kaha for masculine, vaidyaha. Ka for feminine, like Gandhavartika or Dvichakrika, like that. And kim for Krishna Kundalam, Jalam, ends with ma. So kaha, ka, and kim for asking questions. Okay. So that is all we learn in Unit 3. You have to remember 3 gender and 3 rules. Okay. And these vocabularies are there. We will practice that vocabulary sometime. Then we learn about Krishnasya Kutum, Krishna's family, right? quickly we go through Krishna's family. He's saying that Mama Nama Krishna, Mama na Esaha Mama Janaka. Janaka means father. Okay. Janani means mother. You remember this. Sahodara is brother. Bhagini is sister. Patni is wife. Mata Maha, maternal grandfather. Mata Mahi, maternal grandmother. Matulha, maternal uncle. And Mitram is friend. Okay. So we learn all these things. Pitru Bhagini is a paternal auntie. Okay. Pitru Biha is paternal uncle. Matamaha, Matamahi, we all this learn these things, right? So please remember this thing. We will sometime go over this again also. So here, say Krishnasya Sahodaraha Balaramaha Asti, like that. Krishnasya Bhagini Subhadra Asti, like that. Krishnasya Janakaha Vasudevaha Asti, like that. Or other way of Krishnasya Janakasya Nama Vasudeva Asti, like that. So we practice that too, okay? All right. So then we learn about Mama Kutumbaha, means my family. Same way you have to remember all these names. Janakaha. For father there is another word Pita. For mother there is another word Mata, Janani. Brother, another word Brata. So the father, brother, and mother, you have two words. Janakaha Pita for father, Janani Mata for mother, Sahodaraha Brata for brother. Okay. So Bhagini, Matru Bhagini, you know. Matru Bhagini is maternal auntie. Pitru Bhagini is paternal auntie, like that. Okay. Pitru Vyaha, paternal uncle. Okay, so remember, we also learn about this Pita Maha, paternal grandmother, Pita Mahi, paternal grandmother. Agrajaha, older brother, Anujaha, younger. Agra is older, Anu is younger. Okay. Agraja is older sister, Anuja is younger sister. Putraha, son, Putri, daughter, Patni, wife, Pati, husband. Okay. All right. So then this is Govindasya Kutumbaha. And then we learn about some verb. This is the vocabulary. Verb Krishna Kim Karoti. Krishna story we learned, right? Krishna Kim Karoti. Okay. So here, Krishna Ringati. Ringati means crawling. Krishna Kridati means Krishna is playing. Krishna Patati means Krishna is reading. Krishna Nrutyati. Krishna is dancing. Krishna lifting. So Krishna Unnayati. So Krishna is lifting. Krishna Roditi. Krishna is crying. Krishna Hasati. Laughing. Pibati. Drinking. Khadati. Eating. Nidrati. Sleeping. Okay. So these are the words you have learned about the verb. Remember all this verb you need to know. Srunoti is hears. Pasyati is sees. Dhavati is runs. Nrutyati is dances. Gayati is sings. Chalati walks. Likhati writes. Pachati cooks. Japati chants. Bhajati worships. Okay. So this is the list. Bhajati, Chalati, Dhavati, Gayati. Okay. So we'll come back sometime to check your vocabulary. So we are learning unit 7 today. Okay. Pasavaha. Now, can you unmute and recite after me or repeat after me? Say Pasavaha.
Pasavaha.
Animals.
Pasavaha.
How you pronounce it, you know? Okay, so here we will go some of the animals. So Esaha Kaha Pasuhu. Please repeat after me.
Eshaha kaha pasuhu.
Esaha kaha pasuhu.
Okay, so it means what is this
What
animal?
is this?
What is this
What is
animal?
this animal?
Okay, so you repeat after me. Esaha Ustraha Asti.
Esa ustraha asti.
Again. Esaha Ustraha Asti.
Esaha ustraha asti.
So this is a camel.
This is a camel.
Okay.
This is a camel.
Okay, please repeat one more time after me. Esah asti.
Ustra asti.
Very good. Next. Esah vidalah asti. Esah vidalah asti.
एषः विदास्तः अस्ति
Esah vidalah asti. This is a cat.
This is a cat.
Esa denuhu asti. See, denu is feminine, so we're using esa instead of esah. So vidalah, ustraha, they are masculine, ends with aha. So we use esah, ustraha, esah, vidalah. Here we use denuhu is feminine, so we use esa denuhu asti. Please repeat. This is a cow.
This is a cow.
Okay, one more time. Esa denuhu asti.
This is a cow. This is a cow.
Okay. Next. Esah nakrah asti. Esah nakrah asti. So nakrah. You know what is nakrah means? Okay, so what is nakrah means?
Crocodile.
So please repeat. This is a crocodile.
This is a crocodile.
This is a crocodile.
Yeah, so esah is this.
This is a crocodile.
Nakrah is crocodile. Okay, please repeat one more time. Esah nakrah asti.
This is a
Esah nakrah asti. This is a crocodile.
This is a crocodile. This is a crocodile.
Esah gajah asti. Esah gajah asti. So what is gajah?
Elephant.
Okay, so
My favorite animal, elephant.
okay, this is animal. This is elephant.
Elephant.
This is elephant.
All right. Esah matsyah asti.
Esah
matsyah asti. This is a fish. Esah matsyah asti.
This is a fish.
Matsyah is fish.
This is
Fish.
Matsyaha fish.
Okay, next. Esah simhah asti. Esah simhah asti. Okay, so this is a lion.
This is a lion.
It's a lion.
Okay.
It's a lion.
Musikah asti.
Esaha musikaha asti. Esaha musikaha asti.
Esah musikah asti. This is a rat.
This is a rat.
This is a rat.
Okay. Now, esah sukah asti.
एषः सूकः अस्ति
Esah sukah asti.
एषः शुकः अस्ति
This is a parrot.
The parrot. Very
It's
good.
just a parrot.
This is a parrot.
Okay, all right. Repeat one more time. Esah sukah asti.
एषः सूकः अस्ति
This is a parrot.
A
Right. Next.
This is a parrot.
मेषः अस्ति
Esah mesah.
Asti. एषः मेषः अस्ति.
एषः मेषः अस्ति
मेषः अस्ति
Mesha means. Anybody know Mesha means? No, it's sheep. Sheep. This is a sheep.
This is a sheep.
Okay, repeat one more time. Esah mesah asti.
एषः मेषः अस्ति.
Okay,
एषः
next.
मेषः अस्ति
Esah hamsah asti.
एषः हंसः अस्ति
Esah hamsah asti.
एषः
हंसः अस्ति
So what is
एषः
hamsah
हंसः
mean?
a swan.
Swan.
This is a swan.
This is a swan. Very good. Very good.
This is a
Okay,
swan.
next. Esah vyagrah asti.
एषः
एषः व्याघ्रः अस्ति
Esah vyagrah asti.
एषः व्याघ्रः अस्ति.
एषः अस्ति
This is a tiger.
This is a tiger.
This is a
So you remember
This
the-
is a tiger.
Okay, so everybody, Ustraha is camel,
Ustraha is camel.
Vidalaha is cat,
Vidalaha is cat.
Dhenuhu is cow,
Dhenuhu is cow.
Nakraha is crocodile,
Nakraha is crocodile.
Gajaha is elephant,
Gajaha is elephant.
Matsyaha is fish,
Matsyaha is fish.
Simhaha is lion,
Simhaha is lion.
Musikaha is rat,
Musikaha is rat.
Sukaha is parrot,
Sukaha is parrot.
Mesaha is sheep,
Mesaha is sheep.
Hamsaha is swan,
Hamsaha is swan.
Vyagraha is tiger.
Vyagraha is tiger.
Okay. Right, so now you have to tell me. Esa kaha pasu. You see my arrow and you tell the name of the animal. Okay. Esa kaha pasu.
Musikaha asti.
एषः मुषिकः अस्ति
एषः
एषः विदालः
Okay. Everybody, Esa vidalaha asti. Okay, so wherever my arrow goes, you have to tell me what is Esa kaha pasu. Okay, one person at a time. What is this? Esa kaha pasu. Okay, very good, very good. All right, Samichinam. Next, Esa kaha pasu.
एषः सूकः अस्ति
Okay, very good. Next,
एषः गजः अस्ति
Very good.
एषः जग्रः अस्ति
एषः
एषः उस्तरः अस्ति
व्याघ्रः अस्ति
Okay, this is Vyagra.
एषः व्याघ्रः अस्ति एषः मत्स्यः अस्ति
What is the, where my arrow is? What is this?
एषः मत्स्यः अस्ति
Esah Matsyah Everybody should repeat, okay? They should learn all these names of animals. Okay, okay, one person at a time. What is this? Can you tell me? What is this? So, then one person at a time. What is this? Esa ka. Okay, the Danu is feminine. You do what? Esa. Please remember, Danu is feminine, so it is Esa, not Esa. Esa. Okay? All right. Next, where my arrow is.
एषः नक्रः अस्ति
एषः नक्रः अस्ति
Okay. Anybody? Everybody should learn pronunciation. Okay? So one by one, everyone should pronounce.
एषः सिंहः अस्ति
एषः सिंहः अस्ति
एषः निर्हरः
एषः
हंसः अस्ति एषः सिंहः अस्ति
एषः
एषः हंसः अस्ति
एषः हंसः अस्ति
Everyone should practice. When my arrow goes, everyone should practice. Okay?
एषः हंसः अस्ति
Okay, very good. Now we're gonna learn about Isah Pasuhu Kim Khadati. What does this animal eat? Okay, everybody pay attention here. Isah Pasuhu Kim Khadati. What does this animal eat? Okay, so please repeat after me. Ustraha Patrani Khadati.
उष्ट्रः पत्राणि खादति
Ustraha Patrani Khadati.
उष्ट्रः पात्राणि खादति
उष्ट्रः पत्राणि खादति
उष्ट्रः पत्राणि खादति उष्ट्रः पत्राणि खादति
Very good. So one by one, everybody should repeat. Okay. Next, I will repeat, and then you repeat after me, and you can go one by one. Okay. Vidalah musikam khadati.
विडालः
मुसिकं खादति तृणं मुसिकं
खादति विडालः मुसिकं खादति
So one more time, repeat. Vidalah musikam khadati.
विडालः मुसिकं खादति
Ustraha patrani khadati. Patrani means leaves. Okay. So Ustraha patrani khadati means camel eats leaves. Please repeat.
पत्राणि खादति
Camel eats leaves.
Camel eats
Camel eats leaves.
Camel eats leaves.
So patrani is leaves.
Camel eats leaves.
Patrani is plural. Leaf is leaf. That's singular. It's patram. Patram is one leaf. Patrani is many leaves. Okay. Ustraha patrani khadati. Camel eats leaves. Okay, next one. Vidalaha musikam khadati.
Musikam kadati.
Cat eats mouse.
Cat eats
Mouse.
So musikam is mouse. Vidalaha is cat. Khadati is eat. So vidalaha musikam khadati. Cat eats mouse. Please repeat.
Cat eats a mouse. Vidalaha musikam kadati. Cat
Everybody repeat
eats
this.
mouse.
Vidalaha musikam khadati.
Vidalaha
musikam kadati. Musikam
Cat
kadati.
eats mouse. Cat eats mouse. Right? Okay. Now here. Denuhu trunam khadati. Denuhu trunam khadati. Denuhu trunam khadati.
kadati.
Oh, very good. So Denuhu is cow. Trunam is grass. Okay, khadati is. So cow eats grass. Please repeat.
Cow
eats grass.
Okay.
Cow eats
So
grass.
please repeat the Sanskrit after me. Denuhu trunam khadati.
Denuhu trunam kadati.
Cow eats grass.
Cow eats grass.
Right, next. Nakraha mamsam khadati.
Nakraha mamsam khadati.
Nakraha mamsam kadati.
Very good. Everybody recite one by one. Very good. Okay. So mamsam is meat. Okay. Now remember, mamsam is meat. Nakraha is crocodile. Crocodile eats meat. Please repeat. Crocodile eats meat.
Crocodile
Meat.
eats meat.
Okay. So please repeat Sanskrit after me. Nakraha mamsam khadati. Everybody should say one time, okay? Nakraha mamsam khadati. Very good. Crocodile eats meat.
Crocodile eats meat.
Okay. Next one.
Eats meat.
Gajaha
Okay.
phalani khadati.
Gajaha phalani khadati.
Gajaha. Okay. So Gajaha is elephant. Khadati is Phalani is fruits. Okay. Phalam means one fruit. Phalani means many fruit. Okay. Because elephant eats lots of fruit. So Gajaha Phalani Khadati. Elephant fruits. Okay. So elephant eats fruits.
Elephants eat fruit.
Okay.
Elephant
Repeat
eats
Sanskrit-
fruits.
repeat Sanskrit one more time with me. Gajaha Phalani Khadati.
Gajaha phalani khadati. Gajaha phalani khadati.
Elephant eats fruit.
Elephant eats fruit.
Okay. Next one. मत्स्यः वनस्पतिं खादति. मत्स्यः वनस्पतिं खादति.
मत्स्यः वनस्पतिं खादति.
Okay, one by one.
मत्स्यः वनस्पतिं खादति.
वनस्पतिं खादति.
Vanaspatim is plant. Matsyah is fish. Khadati is fish. Fish eats plants. Please repeat.
Fish eats plants. Fish eats plants.
Fish eats plant.
Fish eats plants.
Okay, repeat the Sanskrit after me. Matsyah vanaspatim khadati.
मत्स्यः वनस्पतिं खादति.
खादति.
Fish eats खादति.
Fish eat plants.
Fish eat plants.
Okay, next one.
Fish eat plants.
Simha pasun khadati.
सिंह पशु खादति.
सिंहः
Everyone
पशून् खादति.
Simha pasun khadati.
सिंहः पशून् खादति. सिंहः पशून् खादति.
Okay, so Simha is lion. Khadati is pasun is animal. Okay.
Lion eats
Pasu is one animal. Pasun is plural, many animal. Simha pasun khadati. Lion eats animal.
Lions eat animals.
Very good. Okay, so repeat Sanskrit after me one by one. Okay. Simha pasun khadati.
पशून् खादति.
पशून् खादति.
Very good. So lion eats animals.
Lions eat animals.
Lion eats animals. Person means animal.
Musika dadikam khadati. Please repeat after. Musika.
खादति.
Okay. Everybody repeat. Musika dadikam khadati.
मुसिका ददकं खादति.
मुसिका ददकं खादति. मुसिका ददकं खादति.
Okay. So musika is mouse. Dadikam is cheese. And khadati eats. So mouse eats cheese. Please repeat.
Mouse eats cheese.
Cheese. Okay. So please repeat Sanskrit after me. Musika dadikam khadati.
मुसिका ददकं खादति. मुसिका ददकं खादति. मुसिका ददकं खादति.
Very good. Mouse eats cheese.
Mouse eats cheese.
Next one. Sukah phalam khadati.
सुकः फलं खादति. Parrot eats fruit.
Very good. Sukah is parrot. Phalam is fruit. Khadati is. So parrot eats fruit. Very good. Samichina.
Parrot eats food.
Okay. One more time. Everybody repeat. Sukah phalam khadati.
Parrots eat grass.
Parrot
eats fruit.
Next one. Mesah trunam khadati. Mesah trunam khadati.
Meshaham Trinam Kadati.
Yeah.
Sheep eat grass.
Mesah
Sheep
trunam
eats
khadati.
grass.
Mesah trunam khadati.
Sheep eat grass.
Sheep eat grass.
Grass. Very good.
The sheep is eating
So please everybody repeat. Mesah trunam khadati.
Meshaham
Sheep eats grass.
Sheep eats grass. Very good. Everybody knows sheep eats grass. Next. Hamsah mulani khadati.
हंसः मूलानि
खादति
Okay.
हंसः मूलानि खादति
All right. Hamsaha is swan. Mulani is roots. Khadati is eats. Swan eats roots. Please repeat.
Swans eat roots. Swan eats roots. हंसः मूलानि खादति
Please repeat after me. Sanskrit one more time. Hamsaha mulani khadati.
हंसः मूलानि खादति Swan eats roots.
Swan is roots. Okay. Now the last one here. Vyagraha pasun khadati.
Tiger eats animals.
Tiger eats meat. The tiger eats meat.
व्याघ्रः पशून् खादति Tiger eats animals.
Okay, so everybody look at it one more time. Then I'm gonna ask you. Ustraha patrani khadati. Vidalha musikam khadati.
पत्राणि खादति
Khadati.
मूषिकाः खादति
Phalani khadati.
धेनुः तृणं खादति नक्रः मांसं खादति
Gajaha.
गजः फलं
खादति मत्स्यः वनस्पतिं खादति सिंहः पशून् खादति मूषिकः दादिकां खादति शुकः फलं खादति मेषः तृणं खादति
हंसः मूलानि खादति व्याघ्रः पशून् खादति
पशून् खादति
All right. Now you have to answer me. Isa pasu kim khadati. So who can say Dhanuhu kim khadati?
धेनुः तृणं
Tram khadati. Very good. Okay, over here. Okay, so you have to tell me where my arrow is. You have to say the whole sentence. Isa pasu kim khadati. Okay, one by one. Who is saying that? Vidalaha. Please repeat. Vidalaha musikam khadati. Everybody.
विदालः मूषिकां खादति
Okay. What is here? Isa pasu kim khadati. Where my arrow is?
मेषः तृणं खादति
Mesaha trunam khadati. Next one.
हंसः
मूलं खादति
Hansaha mulani khadati. Please repeat.
मूलानि खादति
Focus, Sunny, focus.
All right.
Please.
Next one.
पशून् खादति
This is not
पशून् खादति
yeah. Simha pasun khadati. Please everybody.
पशून् खादति पशून् खादति
The next one.
विग्रह पशून् खादति
Vyagraha.
खादति
Okay. Next one.
पशु खादति गजः
Gajaha falani khadati. Please repeat everyone.
गजः फलानि खादति
फलानि खादति
Okay. Next.
गजः
नक्रः किं खादति? नक्रः मांसं खादति.
मांसं खादति.
Everybody repeat here. Nakrah mansam khadati.
नक्रः मांसं खादति.
The next one. Who knows it?
मुशिकः दधिकं खादति.
Very good. Everybody repeat.
दूधं खादति.
Dadikam.
दधिकं खादति.
What is dadikam means?
दधिकं.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Yeah, please remember dadikam means cheese. Right. Next one.
पुत्रः पत्राणि खादति.
Yeah. Okay. Next one. Can somebody say what is Esah Pasuh Kim Khadati?
Patrani khadati.
Very good. Everybody should repeat. Esah Patrani Khadati.
एषः पत्राणि खादति.
Ustraha Patrani.
पुत्रः पत्राणि खादति.
Okay. Next.
सः पत्राणि खादति. वनस्पति खादति.
Very good. Matsyaha Vanaspatim Khadati. Please repeat everyone.
मत्स्यः वनस्पति खादति.
Very good. Okay, next one.
फलं खादति. शुकः फलं खादति.
Right. Okay. So now I'm gonna ask you. I'm gonna stop sharing screen. And I'm gonna ask you. See if you can say. Okay. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Esah kah pasuhu?
Simha.
सिंहः.
सिंहः पशु खादति. एषः सिंहो खादति.
Okay. Simha kim khadati?
सिंहः पशु खादति.
Everybody should repeat. Everybody should know it, okay? Okay, I'm gonna ask. Okay, next one. Esah kah pasuhu? Esah pasuhu kim khadati?
मत्स्यः एषः वनस्पतिं खादति.
गजपत्रं खादति.
Falaani. Very good. Okay, everybody should do this, okay?
तृणं खादति. एषः तृणं खादति.
You have to use Esha, right? Esah
तृणं खादति.
Everybody should say, okay?
मुस्की दांतिकं खादति. एषः दांतिकं खादति.
एषः मूषिकः एषः मूषिकः अस्ति
एषः मूषिकः अस्ति मूषिकः
एषः
दधिकं
मूषिकः
खादति.
एषः मूषिकः अस्ति
So you have to
दधिकं
everybody
खादति
should say 2 sentences for each animal, okay? एषः कः पशुः एषः पशुः किं खादति. So एषः मूषिकः अस्ति मूषिकः दधिकं खादति, like that, okay? All right. One more.
व्याघ्रः
पशून् खादति
Everybody should repeat.
व्याघ्रः पशून् खादति
व्याघ्रः
व्याघ्रः पशून् खादति
व्याघ्रः पशु खादति
मूलानि खादति
एकः हंसः अस्ति
नक्रः
नक्रः अस्ति
नक्रः मांसं खादति
नक्रः मांसं खादति
नक्रः मांसं खादति शुकः फलं खादति
खादति और
फलं खादति
खादति
एषः उस्त्रः अस्ति उस्त्रः पत्राणि
Prabhuji, I've got a question.
Yes.
So if yesterday's Sanskrit class, Prabhuji said that there were 27 meanings for each word. Are there 27 things for each animal thing? Each animal name?
Each animal what?
Yesterday, yesterday's Prabhuji told us that there were 27 meanings for each word. So are there 27 meanings for the animals?
I don't know what is your question. I could not understand your question yet. Can you repeat it again?
So if a patati, Prabhuji said there are 27 verbs, verbs, adverbs, and all of that for that.
Oh yeah, well, yeah. I mean, okay. It depends on, because you are learning grammar there. Okay, so it depends on in which context vibhakti, and also the subject and object and all these kind of things. So many. But here you are learning simple sentences. Just for this class, if you remember, for each animal 2 sentences, like Esa kaha pasuhu. So you can say Esaha vidalaha asti, right? And then Esa pasu kim khadati. Vidalaha musikam khadati. That is enough for here, okay?
Okay, Hare Krishna, thank you.
Krishna. All right. So please, everybody practice this thing. I'll show you one more time. Of course, we don't have much more time now. Do you have any question? Anybody?
Simha pasun khadati.
Simha pasun khadati.
Everybody get a chance to practice here. Look at it, and because we already gone through.
Mashaha vasutim khadati.
Yeah, vanaspatim khadati, okay?
Gajataha phalanim khadati.
Khadati.
Rinam khadati.
Simha pushun khadati.
Meshaha
Trinam khadati.
मुशिकः
मुशुकः
दादिकः
दामकहं खादति
Okay, very good. Next.
व्यागः
यागः
खादति
हंसं बुलानि खादति
हंसं बुलनि खादति
Very good.
नक्रः
नक्रः मांसं खादति
हंसं खादति शुकः
शुकः फलं खादति
उत्तरः पत्राणि खादति
उत्तरं पत्राणि खादति
Very good.
यद्रः
विद्रः
खादति
विद्रः
विदालः.
मुष्कः खादति
विदालः मुष्टिकं खादति. Okay.
सिंहः पुष्पं खादति
पशून् खादति
Okay, very good. Good job. So we'll meet next